At every stage of life, converted tapes help improve the quality of life. From neonatal to geriatric care, medical adhesive tapes protect, heal, and enhance the skin, secure medical devices, adhere body monitors, and dispense nutraceuticals. At MBK Tape, our team collaborates with product engineers to bring designs to life. By converting raw, flexible materials into usable parts and stick-to-skin wearable products. As a 3M preferred converter, MBK has access to biocompatible medical materials that are gentle to the skin, easy to remove, and vary in wear times, from minutes to weeks. The MBK engineers source the best materials for your application and designs for manufacturing by utilizing our state-of-the-art equipment in ISO 8 clean rooms to laminate multi-layers, die cut, slit, and print liners. With over 50 years of experience, trust MBK to convert your ideas into reality. Contact us today to learn more.